Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here and do a review of this spray foam gun that I picked up 3 months ago. I've been using it throughout that time and I've been very impressed with it, and I want to give you an overview of the product. You can buy these Great Stuff Pro cans. They screw right on here, and this gun allows you to use some of the can and then actually store it and save it and come back to it and use the rest. Has this nice lever here that allows the can to start filling the gun, as well as this control right back here that screws and closes this. But then when you're ready to use it, you open it up and it allows you to give your trigger better control, fine tuning, so that way it all doesn't come out at once, but you can unscrew it a little bit and have a certain amount come out controlled, or if you want more, you unscrew it more. It allows more foam to come out faster. So when you're done with it, just screw this back in all the way, flip that lever up, and it's stored. When you're ready to use it, just flip this down and unscrew that. I'll show you how it works. Now, I don't have it on here right now, but a feature that I like, if you can see that, it's got a little indent on the end. You can actually get attachments to it that give you finer control with the gun. But here, I've got the lever down, I've got this unscrewed, and I'm ready to use it.